Presidents to represent me. I'm out for presidents to represent me.
Yeah,
I'm out for presidents to represent me.
yeah.
I'm out for every old presidents to represent me.
I'm the new dude, stepping in the game like I'm in new shoes. I represent a new view, like I wrote it to that new. But I did write one to that, and you can view it on the YouTube. Give it a thumbs up and give my other raps a few views. What do you have to lose? There's new rules, cause when you talk about good rappers nowadays, there's too few. So I'ma take a top spot, watch me like Hulu. No more nothing to do, cause I have something to prove. I know I'm destined for greatness, so I'ma take my place and be famous. Make a name where I'm nameless, cause I play the game and I'm shameless. I represent Orlando, Florida, and all adjacent places, and I'ma rep it to the fullest. It don't matter where this takes us, whether it makes us or breaks us. I'ma raise all the stakes up on a good night with a grape Dutch. Get a good high just to wake up, stay up just to make up that one song that makes us. No fake stuff, like dripped out and draped up. I'm fresh to death and laced up and ready to lay some great stuff. I grab the mic and say stuff and have the people raise up the lighters as they praise us, or tell them all to blaze up and pass it to the stage front. From out the crowd I'll grab the loud and blaze on someone's haze blunt. Really ain't no thing to me to hit a bit of greenery, so fuck what people think of me. I'm doing what I need to be, deserve to do the things you see. I'm off the chain, the link is me. I rep so hard I bleed the streets.
I'm out for presidents to represent me. I'm out for presidents to represent me.
Yeah,
I'm out for presidents to represent me.
yeah.
I'm out for every old presidents to represent me. I'm out for presidents to represent me.
Yeah.